The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operations. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 4 Ukrainian command posts near Novoye, Dvurechная in Kharkov region, Konstantinovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Olenovka in Nikolaev region. The list of the neutralized targets also includes a helicopter near Alexandrovka in Donetsk People's Republic, 68 artillery units at their firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 182 areas. 2 Ukrainian armament and munitions depots have been destroyed near Ugledar in Donetsk People's Republic and Zeleny Gai in Nikolaev region. Operational tactical aviation of the Russian aerospace forces has shot down 1 MiG-29 airplane of Ukrainian Air Force near Kaluga in Nikolaev region. Air defense facilities have destroyed 13 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Oborotnovka, Kalinovka, Vladimirovka in Lugansk People's Republic, Kolodeznoye in Kharkov region, Sadok, Alexandrovka, Krynichanka, Kucherskoye in Kherson region, and Energodar in Zaporozhye region. Moreover, 7 projectiles launched by HIMARS and Smerch MRLS have been shot down near Klapaya, Otrado-Kamenka, Vesoloye in Kherson region, Kolomychiha in Lugansk People's Republic, as well as 3 US-manufactured HARM anti-radar missiles near Petrovka in Lugansk People's Republic and Antonovka in Kherson region. In total, 326 airplanes and 162 helicopters, 2,339 unmanned aerial vehicles, 383 air defense missile systems, 6,046 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 874 fighting vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,525 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,758 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.